How's it going, guys? Andrew with American Diesel. So we got a 2019 Ford F-250 check engine light eliminated. So let's dive in. Scanner, Ford, automatic ID. Yep, 2019 Ford F-250, 6.2 liter gas, 153,000 miles. Okay. Engine. Okay. Codes menu. Memory. Alright, so the one we're attacking today is the P0456 evap system leak detected, very small leak. So first thing I do, go to data display. Now from previous experience, obviously you wouldn't just jump to this, but I do because I've already seen this fault many times. Evap, pull up that data list, continue. Then I'm gonna look for fuel tank pressure sensor, which that's in voltage, and this one right here, this is inches of water, PSI. So let's pull up that one, and then full screen, that we can see it. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull off the gas cap, see if that drops any or moves. Alright, gas cap is off. Okay, so just from previous experience, I know that that value is good. Anything around 0 is fine as far as like fuel tank PSI. So now that I got the baseline that the fuel tank pressure sensor is fine, because that's really the only two faults I ever see with these 6.2s, is either fuel tank pressure sensor is skewed or the purge solenoid is stuck open. So now we got that. Go back, exit. Now we're gonna go to functional test, output controls, and I'm gonna control that purge solenoid, or purge valve, sorry. Okay, right now it's set to 0. So let's take the scan tool outside. Okay, so have that set up. Okay, so right now it's commanded at 0, and you can already see we have over 15 inches of vacuum. Disconnect it just to make sure. Yep, we still have 15, and as you can see here, we're still set to 0. So I can command this thing up 60, still stuck the same. It's at 100% and it's still stuck. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect that purge solenoid just to eliminate PCM control or just pretty much any outside interference. Okay, now I'm going to disconnect it. now, got this disconnected. Right now, I have this vacuum line plumbed into the back of this purge solenoid, and that's where I'm getting this vacuum reading. So I'm gonna try it one more time. Disconnect it, reconnect it. You can still see it, there's still vacuum on there. So without a shadow of a doubt, that purge solenoid's messed up, because it's not being commanded whatsoever. It's disconnected. See right here in my hand, and I'm plugged into here. All you have to do is just undo this green connector that's right here, and then connect your vacuum gauge to this port right here, and then that's how you can tell if it's still pulling vacuum or not, which it shouldn't be. So yeah, easy one. So get it fixed and then we'll retest it again. Alright, so got the valve swapped out. Real easy, just 2 bolts, 1, 2, 8mm. Disconnect the electrical connector, then the that line that goes here, the evap line. So you can see it's already swapped out. Still have the vacuum gauge on here, and as you can see, now it's not pulling any vacuum whatsoever. So let's test it again. Okay, so go to output controls, and we're going to go to purge. Okay, so now start commanding it up. So 20%. Helps if you connect it electronically. Okay, so now you see it's on. And then we'll command it down to 0. Disconnect our gauge. Okay, got that 0. Command it up. Command it back down. 0. Okay, connect it back. And 0 again. So now it's working correctly. That's pretty much it. That's going to take care of that P0456, that gross leak. Now that this is able to seal correctly, once this seals, then the rest of the system is able to actually seal, and it can take an accurate measurement and see if there's actually a leak. But yeah, that's it, guys. Appreciate you. See you on the next one. Alright, got the IDS hooked up to it. I tried it previously with Snap-on, and it said that the evap system test failed. But I don't know. I just don't really trust the Snap-on all that well. So exit out of this. You press complete delete. We're gonna start a new session. All other. Check mark. Toolbox. I want to say it's under powertrain, and then might be under fuel. Yep, evap test. So shut the key off, key on. less than 75%, which it is. Preferred level is 75%, but it has to be between 15 and 85. Some vehicles may stall. Okay. Continue. Turn off the HVAC, rear defrost, courtesy lamps, headlamps. Just turn all that off. Yeah, which it is off. Okay, enter. Give that system test. Enter. Right now it's venting the that vent solenoid to get the fuel tank pressure. Okay, so fuel tank capacity, I want to say it's 26 to 30. Tank size, yep. Start the engine. Started. Right now it's raising the RPM. Pulling target vacuum. Okay, vehicle stalled out, but that's part of the testing. Checking bleed up rate. So you can see that fuel tank pressure measuring voltage 1.45. Checking the rate right now. Checking tank venting. So the ignition off. It's off. Check mark. Test pass. That's what I figured. I don't know what the heck's wrong with the Snap-on sometimes. I mean, it just seems like they advance a little bit somewhere and in places and other places not. So this is why I have my own IDS, and it's the only way I'm able to foolproof my way of diagnosing these Fords. So yeah, passed. Everything's good. So now we can call the customer, tell them they can come pick up the vehicle, and I know it won't return. So yeah, thanks guys, appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one.